Katabi nga namin eh.
Tahimik lang.
Tahimik lang.
Tingnan Reyes.
Uy! Uy! Tingnan mo yung mga dalawa. Level pa lang. May break time naman. Kaso kasi
Nice one!
may basic lang yun po. Go, clap! BCBA, third set kayo dyan ha. Dito walang, final ng Pilipinas. Nice one, Clarence!
Players semi-areas. That will be semi-finalists for semi-final number 1. Kindly proceed to players semi-area. Our umpire for this match is Mr. Jefferson Tawan. Service judge Mr. Ricky Levin.
Nice one, Clarence! Wala pa. Nice one! Hindi.
Gram pala, gram.
TikTok na kayo. Sana lang! Ares, tatlo na lang! Pero ruli yan guys. Ayun lang. Ayun. Push! Whoop! Oh! Drop. Grabe! Uy! Nice one, Clarence. Nice one, Clarence. Grabe ka, Clarence. Grabe ka, Clarence. Grabe ka, Clarence. Grabe ka, Clarence. Ano? Ay. Na. Ay, ay, ay. Saan? Saan? Uy!
Eh, no?
Clarence! Drop mo, Clarence! Yo! Yo! Ayun na, Clarence! 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 Galing! Goal! Nice one, Clarence!
Oh, yung Israel ito.
Oh! Hey! Hey! Out! Clarence! Go, Clarence! Go, Clarence! Go, Clarence! Clarence! Dalawa na lang! Clarence! Two days! Isa na siyang support. Good! Ela! Yun! Clarence!
Gago narinig.
Ela! 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 Yeah! 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 Nice one, Clarence! Nice one, Clarence! Nice one, Clarence! Clarence!
Yes, grabe.
Nice one, Clarence!
Nakuwas ang uso.
Dito tayo sa kabila.